Single asset strategies and stock picking strategies have one thing in common: timing. And that's what today's video is dedicated to. This is a more advanced topic that is more for strategy developers. Anyway, when we talk about timing, what are we actually talking about? When I open a strategy in the AlgoCloud editor, there's a table in the top right corner, and in that table you will always see options for setting the entry and exit time. In the previous video, for example, we set both options to on bar close, the time when the stock market closes. And it's the meaning of on bar close, before bar open, and on bar open that we are going to look at in more detail today. An important question within stock picking is the timing of when we open and close trades. In classic or usual trading robot as we know it, trades are opened and closed every minute or hour depending on the time frame. With stock picking, we work exclusively with 3 moments within the day. The first moment is before the opening of the stock exchange. The next is when the stock market opens, and the last moment is just before the stock market closes. Now, let's explain in detail how the time of entry or exit of the trade affects the logic of the strategy. Please note that this is advanced knowledge that does not need to be understood immediately, but we include it here so that you can refer back to it later. This slide is also available as a separate file below the video, and I recommend printing it out and having it handy at all times when designing your strategy. Well, now number 1 is before bar open. When using this timing, market, stop or limit orders are entered any time in advance before the opening time of the exchange. Thus, the last value known to us is the previous day's close, aka the closing price. The orders themselves are then executed immediately after the opening of the exchange. For the NYSE, this means at 9:31 a.m. Number 2, on bar open. When using this timing, the market order is executed exactly for the price at 9:31 a.m., so a bit after the opening time. And both stop and limit orders are executed approximately at the opening price of the current day. And number 3, on bar close. This timing is mostly used for closing of position because it actually does not make much sense to use it for limit or stop orders. Well, and market order is executed for the actual price at 3:58 p.m., so a little bit before the closing time of the exchange. For a better imagination, just go to AlgoCloud, live trading section, and go to trading log. If you scroll this list down, you see all 3 types of timing: before bar open, on bar open, and on bar close. This whole timing thing may be a little bit confusing and you may feel a little bit lost, but do not worry at all. The whole thing is described in the ebook AlgoCloud for algo trading system developers, including some more details for those of you who are in a serious relationship with the strategy development.